Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. Look at that light. Look at that natural light. Look at my face. Look at that. You can know that I'm not filming in the dark at 2 a.m. in the morning. It is now daylight, and I'm actually filming another video to upload this week. I'm going to upload this today. Today, it's Thursday. So this is a brand new video, and I think it's going to be very informative. I was thinking about it, and I was getting topic from my fiance, Sugar Dumpling. And I came up with what I'm going to bring to you from the tagline today. So this is 5 things you need to know before you marry a Jamaican man. The reason why I make it so specific is because there's already a lot of videos out there online about marriages, about what you need to know before you're married and all that. And from the title you can see that I'm a Jamaican man and I'm making a video about Jamaican man. Normally it's typical for females to make this video stating that this is what you need to know about Jamaican man, beware of them, yeah. But this is more educational, and I'm being unbiased as possible. It's basically to educate females and even males, you know, and some males might agree with me on this. And this is from my own experience of just being a Jamaican man and the things we used to talk about. So let me jump right into, before I jump right into it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. This little bell, ensure that 2 icon is over it like this at the top. You know what it is, so you get notification whenever I post. And please watch the video, watch everything, enjoy the video, leave your comments below as well. So this is 5 things you need to know before you marry a Jamaican man. We are not big on wedding because it is not the norm. And why I say this, it is not the norm, because in Jamaica we have a lot of common law unions. A common law union is basically you and your partner being together for 5 or more years. You are now considered a common law wife. So by law, you can inherit property that both of you have or have for years. You can inherit that in case your partner passed away. You can inherit that by law. When I say it's not the norm, so we didn't grow up on marriages. We didn't grow up seeing our parents getting married. We never really saw that. It's not like a wholesale thing where your auntie or this and that. You had 1 and 2 marriages, but it wasn't a big thing. So growing up, you never really aspire in a sense to get married as a man. Women are different because we are open to the American media, and we see marriage and stuff, so a lot of females aspire to get married. But for men, not so much. We mostly think about buying a house, buying a car, get a baby mother and get some youth, and that's about it. Especially if you get a youth, and a lot of you females talking to get a youth. One of the uptown guy now talk like get a youth. So get a youth just want rich, get a youth want have a little money so him can spend, him can buy a car and take care of family and thing. You never really hear mention, oh, I want to get married and build my house and that. No, that's not really the authentic Jamaicans. You find a lot of them, lack that kind of mindset when it comes to marriage. The second thing is just lack of experience. So growing up, a lot of us never been to a wedding before. Yes, a lot of Jamaicans never take plane. A lot of Jamaicans never been to a wedding before. So we don't have that experience as kids growing up. And many of us, I can probably walk out in a crowd and find 10 Jamaicans that never been to a wedding before. So we don't know, so you need to carry a gift to a wedding. You never, you don't know, so you need to buy a suit to a wedding. You need to, put yourself together to come to a wedding. So a lot of us have never experienced a wedding before. Unless, somebody in the family or extended family or somebody getting married and you get an invitation. But in other countries, it's very common to go to wedding. Sometimes you go to 3-4 wedding for the year and stuff like that. A lot of people are not financially stable to basically keep a wedding. Nowadays it's different. Times have changed where you have younger people getting married now, having their kids, getting their family and married now. So you realize that it's kind of becoming the norm in a sense, but not wholeheartedly everybody, getting married and stuff. Because in America you have people that married 2, 3, 4 times already. In Jamaica it's kind of different. So ladies, if you're marrying a Jamaican man, ensure that you talk about these things. Ensure that you know, question him about these things. Talk to him, you know, ask him about his experience with marriage and let him open up to you and talk to you about it. The next thing that we're going to look at is we don't really change or adjust. A lot of Jamaican men don't really change. Once we have that mindset of buy a house, build a house on the hill, get rich, have a youth and baby mother. We just have that mentality. In order for us to change, we need to be open to a new mentality. We need to be open to the environment of marriage. We need to go out there and go to wedding. So if you're going to marry a Jamaican man and you have time and you're building a relationship with him and your friend is keeping a wedding or you know somebody that's keeping a wedding, take your boyfriend, take him to the wedding, go to the wedding. His mind is going to be open to it. Probably this is his first wedding, so he's going to understand and see how a wedding keep and how people interact and how fun it is. Sometimes we just need to change the environment. Sometimes we just need to adjust. But if we have never seen it before, only see it on movies, you know, have that experience that to being in a special moment where love is abundant and stuff like that. You won't see it necessary to get married. You'll be like, try to say to get married, we're going to give my things, you're going to own my no. But does that experience of love and family and togetherness change people, literally change people, give them a different mindset. It's all about the mindset sometimes, because if you're a Jamaican guy and you're just going to parties and stuff like that and not weddings or seminars and stuff like that, you don't know what to expect. You're afraid of it, so you're like, oh, why am I going to this, you know, blah blah blah, find excuses. And you find a lot of men who just find excuses not to go. Lord God, the clothes are coming, yes, sun coming. But you know, we don't adjust easy. So open our eyes to females, open our eyes to wedding. You know, take us to wedding, even if it's a stranger wedding, somebody wedding, take us to the wedding, so we can basically learn and see what it is all about. You know what I mean? The culture. Next one we jump into is the culture. The culture is important. Ensure that this Jamaican guy love you. Ensure that he's open to your culture. If you're an American, ensure that he's, you know, willing to adjust to your culture. Everybody's culture is different. The Jamaican culture is different. Jamaican men love their cooking. They love they cook food. They love stuff like that. They love the music. They love, you know, the language. They're used to that. That's their culture. They're used to Jamaican women. They're used to, you know, a different environment. So I'll ensure that you learn about each other's culture. Ensure that you both adjust. Ensure that you both compromise and love each other. Ensure that, you know, to meet family member and stuff like that, and he's okay with your American culture and you're okay with his. Culture is very, very important. Culture has to do with the language, again, the food, the people, you know what I mean? So you might be with your Jamaican man and he's like, yo, I hate American, I hate these people and I hate that people, and you're wondering why. You know, you don't really think about it and say, oh, he's not from here, he's not from this country, so he has to adjust to the culture. So I have to basically teach him about the culture and show him the positive about the culture, because a lot of times we see a lot of slave movies and stuff like that and it rubs us the wrong way. So we come with that preset mindset to basically say, oh, these people are evil and they treat black people bad. So be careful where that is concerned. Culture is important. Ensure that both of you adjust and learn about each other's culture and willing to embrace the culture as well. So culture is vital and important. The last thing that we look at is number five. Teach them or show them the benefits of marriage. A lot of people don't know the benefits of marriage. A lot of Jamaicans don't know the benefit of being married. You don't know that when you're married and you're going on trips or vacation and stuff, they have a lot of vacation packages for married couple. They have a lot of perks when you're going on cruise ships. They have a lot of perks for married couple. So there's so much benefits when you're together. When you're buying a house, it is easier for you to get a house as a married couple in Jamaica with NHT coming together, pooling your points together. In America, when you're married, they get in a loan. You realize that two people are together. It's better for two people to pay a loan than one person to pay a mortgage. You know what I mean? So there are benefits both in Jamaica and other countries around the world. Marriage carry benefits. When you're together, it means that it's one unit, more income. One person income, the next person income, pull it together, you get more money. You can save together, you have somebody else shoulder to lean on. Ladies, they can lean on your man's shoulder, men they can lean on your lady's shoulder. You're together in a unit, you know what I mean? It's much better. So teach each other about marriage. Ask the questions. What you think about marriage? How do you feel about marriage? Is this important to you? What's your long-term goal? You know, what if something happened in a marriage? Are you quick to leave me? You know what I mean? Ensure that you go through these things, break it down. Thus, the benefits of marriage is you know, abundantly clear that it's better. It allows people to do things on a financial aspect, build for the future, retirement, you know, somebody that you can depend on, somebody that you can start a family with, you know, in a strong household, pooling your funds together compared to having, you know, 2 different partners, 3 different baby mother and stuff like that, and the money gone over the place. So when you're in a marriage and you have that one partner and that one family, all your money can be focused in your family. So there's a lot of benefit for getting married. And that is where I'm going to end the video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please, and thank you. Ensure you watch the video, ensure you leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll be uploading videos every week, important videos, nice videos. Ensure that you watch a vlog as well, people. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks again, Plunkett, JVLOGS. I'm out.